Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to change the Apple Watch Ultra to watch faces. These have to be pre-set up on the iPhone, so you go to watch and you can set up a few. But once we have them there, we can scroll. So let's press and hold. So this, let's see, hold. And you can see that now it's gone into this menu and I can actually check the different versions I have here. I have the Snoopy one, the modular, and so on. But for example, not only can I change like that, and I'm now there, and this is my new watch face, but I can hold again. And I can edit it. When you click edit, you can actually change different things. You can change the colors, and this little color wheel here lets you change. So now we have more colors. We can go blue. We can go into guava, cypress, and you can choose all these colors. They even have a multicolor version. Let's go to the next one. We can check that one. And once we like it, press on the side, press back, and there we go. Now it's the multicolor version. If we want to change it again, press there. It has like a little double tap. You can also go back to the one I had at the beginning. And again, we can basically tap it and we can edit it, and we can also choose the colors. So multicolor, we have background off, color, complications. So this would be more things to change, but we can do a video about that. But that's how you basically change your Apple Watch faces from the Apple Ultra 2 watch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.